Greetings and welcome to my channel, Advice for Wisdom, where we delve into the profound emotional and psychological mysteries of relationships. Have you ever experienced a sense of meaninglessness in your life, where everything passes without bringing you joy or contentment, despite your constant adherence to family and societal norms? Throughout your life, you have likely lived by the maxims: try to be humble, don't ask for too much, and don't be too proud. Maybe you thought that if you wait patiently and don't ask for too much, life will give you what you deserve. But this could be why you never get what you want. If I told you that the secret to living the life you deserve is to stop settling for less than what you deserve and to dare to ask for what you deserve, it's not just about changing your thoughts. It's also about changing the way you act and interact with the world around you. When you know what you want and aren't afraid to express it, you'll attract more positive things and meaningful relationships than ever before. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your thinking and help you identify and define exactly what you want, especially in your romantic and personal relationships. Discover why women gravitate towards men who possess a clear understanding of their desires and are unafraid to voice them. Together, we'll also look at practical ways to help you become more assertive and create long-lasting, meaningful relationships. Prepare to learn and apply these secrets to your everyday life. By altering your thoughts and behaviors, you'll find that you're more attractive and seductive than ever. Let's go on this journey together so that you can find love and create the satisfying and joyful relationships you've always desired. When I was younger, I frequently heard the lesson of being humble. Start today and experience the wonderful change in your life. Don't draw attention to yourself or ask for too much. I tried to live by these words, thinking that if I waited patiently and didn't ask for much, life would naturally give me what I deserved. However, over time, I started to feel deeply unhappy, as though humility would lead to beneficial opportunities. I felt as though I was missing something significant, a part of myself that I couldn't recognize because I was so focused on not daring to ask. I realized that these false beliefs were holding me back, causing me to miss out on countless priceless opportunities that life had to offer. As I grew older, I became increasingly aware that my waiting without asking mentality was not only limiting me, but also keeping me from realizing my aspirations. I believed that my shyness and hesitancy were trapping me in a vicious cycle, where my inability to express and ask for what I wanted resulted in stagnant relationships, missed professional opportunities, and faded personal aspirations. After coming to this realization, I decided to alter my behavior and mindset. I started to feel that I needed to ask for what I wanted with confidence and not be scared to express myself. I learned to have the courage to demand what I deserved and to say what I wanted. This change not only opened up new opportunities for me, but it also assisted me in creating more lasting and meaningful relationships. In my quest for self-discovery, I've come to realize that in order to live a full and joyful life, we occasionally need to have the courage to ask for and demand what we deserve. Doing so not only advances us, but also gives us the genuine contentment and happiness we constantly seek. I've come to realize a very important truth. Women are truly attracted to men who know what they want and are not afraid to express it. When you have the courage to say, "I want," you are not simply expressing a desire, but you are asserting your confidence and clarity in your goals. It is a strong sign that you are capable and know what you need in life. Women do not like men who hesitate, who are always hesitant, and do not dare to stand up and ask for what they want. They do not want men who let life pass them by without a clear goal. Instead, they love men who stand tall, strong, and competent, who have the courage to say what they want without fear of rejection or judgment. When you know what you want and express it naturally, you not only attract attention, but also build a solid image of yourself. You determine and clarity about your goals, create an irresistible attraction, making women feel that you are a man who can lead and share your dreams together. This not only increases attraction but also creates a solid foundation for a long-term and meaningful relationship. In addition, knowing what you want helps you avoid wasting time on relationships that are not suitable and opens up new opportunities. When you live your purpose and passion, you become more charismatic and attract like-minded people who appreciate your sincerity and determination. Remember, confidence is not arrogance, but understanding and accepting yourself. When you know what you want and dare to express it, you not only increase your self-worth, but also create a strong attraction, making you a man that women cannot take their eyes off. One of the most significant discoveries I've made in my quest to understand women's psychology is that women gravitate towards men who understand their desires. The courage to speak up for what you want in a direct and confident manner shows strength and respect for others by showing that you are willing to listen and honor their wishes, which fosters honest and productive communication. This is not just about being stubborn, it's also about being subtle and clear in expressing your desires. One important characteristic that women may quickly recognize is the difference between being steadfast and being stubborn. The difference that women notice and easily sense is that being steadfast means knowing what you want and being willing to persevere to achieve that goal while maintaining flexibility and understanding and respecting the needs of those around you. Being stubborn means never changing your mind, not listening to other people's opinions, and persistently pursuing your goals without taking into account the needs of others. In addition to seeking men who are strong and capable, women value intellect and the capacity to respect others' personal space. The right man knows his desires and listens to and appreciates his partner's choices, creating an irresistible attraction. Know what you want and have the courage to say it naturally to attract attention and build a strong, reliable reputation with women. They sense the harmony between sharing and expressing themselves in all circumstances. Remember that confidence is not arrogance, but acceptance and understanding of oneself. When you know what you want and dare to express it, you not only increase your self-worth, but also create a strong attraction that makes you a man that women want to be with. Being assertive and clear about your goals creates an irresistible attraction, giving the impression that you are a man who can lead and share your dreams with them. This not only increases attraction, but also builds a solid foundation for a long-term and meaningful relationship. Can't take their eyes off. Ask for what you deserve, and life and love will give you the best opportunities. Now, I want to introduce you to a straightforward yet effective exercise that can alter your perspective of yourself and how you interact with the world. You might think it's just a little habit, but I can promise you that if you stick with it, beneficial things will happen in your life. Just begin stating "I want" at least 5 times per day, regardless of who you are speaking to, friends, family, co-workers, or even the grocery store. Clark starts with the smallest moments in your daily life. For example, when you're at your favorite coffee shop, rather than just giving in and ordering the default coffee, you could say, "I'd like a stronger cup of coffee." Or when you're feeling exhausted, instead of giving in to your emotions, you could say, "I want to go for a walk this afternoon to relax." At first, this might feel a little odd and uneasy, like you're stepping out of your comfort zone. But as you practice saying "I want" every day, you will notice a change in how you become more self-assured and assertive in every situation. You will realize that every time you express your desire, no matter how small, it contributes to building a strong character and a confident soul. This confidence not only helps you achieve what you want, but also creates an attractive attraction for those around you. Remember, daring to ask for what you deserve is not only a way for you to express yourself, but also a way for you to respect and love yourself. Every time you say, "I want it," it is a step closer to building a fuller and happier life. Start today and feel the positive changes. This practice helps you become stronger, more confident, and prepared to seize the wonderful opportunities life has to offer. Once you've gotten used to saying "I want" in everyday situations, the next step in your personal development journey is to apply this principle to your romantic relationships. Instead of hesitating with vague statements like, "If you want, we can go out together," be bold and confident in expressing your wishes. Clearly, "I'd like to take you out to dinner this weekend." When you express your desires, you show seriousness and respect for her time and feelings. Men who know what they want and don't hesitate to make decisions genuinely attract women. You become a leader who can make choices and constantly pursue your goals rather than letting things pass you by reluctantly or vaguely. Knowing what you want and being brave enough to say it shows you have a clear vision and goals. This not only helps you show off your strength, but also fosters an atmosphere of honest and open communication in the relationship. This increases your attractiveness, making her feel secure and confident in your ability to lead. Imagine you are planning a special date. Instead of just saying general things, you choose a meaningful location and plan the details of that evening. Your careful preparation and assertiveness will make her feel the care and respect you have for her. This not only adds to the romance, but also creates memorable memories. Building a solid foundation for your relationship, remember, confidence does not mean arrogance. It is about understanding and accepting yourself and the ability to express your desires honestly and respectfully to others. When you have the courage to ask for what you deserve, you not only increase your self-worth, but you also create a powerful attraction, making you a man that women cannot take their eyes off. Start today and feel the positive change that the confidence to speak up about your desires brings to your love life as you begin to incorporate the "I want" practice into your daily life. You will quickly notice profound changes, not only in the way you communicate with others, but also in the way you see yourself. From simple statements, you will feel stronger and more confident, and this change will spread to everyone around you. You will no longer feel like you are simply existing, but that you are living a life with purpose and meaning. The confidence you build from within will help you face challenges with greater resilience. You will feel inner strength, decisiveness, and clarity in all your decisions. When you boldly and clearly communicate your desires, you not only draw attention, but also establish a strong and reliable reputation in the eyes of others. The more you do this exercise, the more you will feel like you are improving yourself, stronger, more self-assured, and more authentically yourself. With courage, you'll ask for what you deserve and respect, and listen to others' wishes. This will not only help you reach your personal goals, but also build stronger and more meaningful relationships. This shift will improve your romantic life and help you grow as a person. You'll become the man that women around you desire to have, someone who knows his own worth, is brave enough to express his emotions, and is always ready to support and protect the ones he loves. Imagine that every day you confidently say what you want, you are gradually creating a fuller and happier life. The change from within will not only help you feel better about yourself, but also bring joy and satisfaction to all relationships. You will find yourself not only becoming more attractive and appealing, but also inspiring those around you, creating a positive and loving environment. Continue with this practice, and you will discover the power that lies within you. The change from within will open doors to the wonderful opportunities and experiences that you deserve. You will not only ask for what you want, but you will also create a life that is more fulfilling and meaningful than ever before. Finally, I want to emphasize that a real relationship is not just one person making demands without listening. A relationship is a back-and-forth interaction where both people share their desires, feelings, and ideals. When you start to clearly express what you want, you are also creating a safe space for her to share her desires. This not only helps both of you build a strong relationship, but also creates mutual respect and trust, which in turn develops a lasting and meaningful relationship. Imagine a relationship where both of you feel heard, and appreciated. It is not just about you expressing your desires, but also about understanding and respecting what she needs. When you share honestly and clearly, you not only demonstrate confidence, but also show that you respect her feelings and needs. An open communication environment allows you to explore and support each other in all aspects of your lives. Active listening is also crucial for developing an emotional connection. It's not just about hearing what she says, it's also about feeling and comprehending the emotions that lie behind the words. When you truly listen, you establish a deeper connection where you both feel understood and empathized. These sharing moments not only increase intimacy, but also strengthen your bond. By continually communicating your needs and encouraging her to do the same, you are laying the groundwork for a solid relationship. Finding a balance between listening to others and expressing yourself will make your relationship more harmonious and long-lasting. To create an emotional connection, you need to build a relationship where you both feel free to express yourselves in your most genuine way and establish a deep and lasting love. When you share and respect each other, your relationship will grow stronger. You will find that your relationship is more beautiful and rewarding than ever if you begin today to listen and share. The previous chapter's insight has shown you how important it is to learn how to accurately express your desires. Not only will it help you become the man you've always wanted, but it will also give your life meaning and purpose and give you confidence. When you ask for what you want and don't hesitate to express it, you open up amazing chances and develop deeper relationships. Having the guts to be yourself is essential for luring ladies and leading a joyful life, since it will make you stand out from the crowd and attract them. Being confident and assertive in asking for what you want will not only help you achieve your personal goals, but also build a solid, trustworthy image in the eyes of others. Imagine walking into each day with a strong belief in yourself, knowing what you want and daring to express it. Naturally, every time you say "I want," you are affirming your self-worth and creating a positive, loving environment around you. This change will not only affect the way you interact with others, but it will also have a profound impact on how you feel about yourself. You will feel stronger, more confident, and ready to take on new challenges with a passionate heart. Start practicing the desired exercise today. Be tenacious and dare to venture beyond your comfort zone. You will see your life change in ways you never imagined, from attracting quality relationships to achieving personal goals and living a more fulfilling life. Believe in your abilities and don't be afraid to ask for what you deserve. Change originates internally, and you can definitely build the happy, meaningful life you've always desired. Act now to observe the difference that having a clear understanding of your goals makes in life. More fulfilling relationships are waiting for you if you have the courage to ask for what you deserve.